I hope you liked my previous video, but now we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to make 11 to the third power. So we're going to have to find the cube root of 1331. So if we have 11 times 11 would be 121, and 11 times 121 would be 1331. But when we do run a cube root, we have to see the numbers as sections of 3. So the first will be 331, and the second will be 001. So 331, then 001. And in this abacus, we have two auxiliaries. We have first auxiliary, second auxiliary. So the one will start here, and one will start here. And this will hold two separate numbers. So with this formula, we're going to have a root number, an L number, and a cube number. There's an extra dimension because it's a cube. How we had only two before, which was the root number and the square, and now we have a root, L, and a cube. So we start off with a 1 in each auxiliary. And we're going to subtract the auxiliary from 001. That leaves us with 331. So to finish the formula, we're going to add a 1 to the root number. Carry that 2 over to this L number, which would be a 3. Now we're going to move the root number over to the tens place, shifting to the left. Now we're going to shift the 3 over to the left 2 places. Then we're going to put in an 11, a 1, 1. Now we're going to move that 3, 1 next to this 3, which would be 3, 3, 1. Now you see they're both 3, 3, 1. Now you have to subtract that 3, 1 from this 3, 3, 1 from this 3, 3, 1. Now to finish your formula, you add a 2 this time to the root number, divided by 3, and that's 11. So what we did was just cut short what would have taken a long time to do it this way, which would have been 11 times 11, 121 times 11. If we did it the long way, not taking advantage of the system of the abacus, which makes it shorter, we would have a 1 and a 1. Subtract the 1 from the ones place, and then we just keep adding 1s and 2s to the root number, which will be, that'll be a 2. Put that 2 over to the 1, add a 2, that's 4. Put a 4 to the 3, and that's 7. Now you stop. Subtract the 7 from the 10, that'll be 3. Then you do the same thing over again. Add a 1 to the root number, which would be 5. Put that 5 to the 7, will be 12. Then you add a 2 to the 5, which would be 7. You add the 7 to the 12, and that's 19. Then you subtract 19. And then you do it again. You add a 1 to the 7, which would be 8. Put in that 8. Add a 2 to the 8, which would be 10. Add the 10 to this number, will be 37. And it'll take a longer process. But just to make it easier, because we have a computer here in front of us, we put in the 1, 1 times 1, 1, which would be 121, and then 11 times 121 would be 1331. So you just start with the root number, the L number, both 1s, subtract the 1. So you have 331, and then you have 001. You subtract the 1 from the 001. Then you put in a 1 to the root number, add that 2 to the L number, move that root number over 1 spot, move the L number over 2 spots, put in a 1, 1 on the root number, put the 3 next to the 3, the 31 next to the 3, and that's 331 is the same. Subtract, add a 2 to the root number, divide by 3, and it's 11. It's just much shorter and faster that way because we're using this as a computer. Thanks for watching. Bye.